Hey guys, so welcome to the customizing part of this video. This is the fun part where we get to make our phones look all cute. So if you're also gonna do this, I recommend looking up just something like pink aesthetic. And then I'm gonna look for images that I think are gonna go well with a pink and white theme. And there are so many pretty images to choose from. So I'm gonna download about 5 to 6 images and finish this up. And then I'll talk to you guys when it's time to customize our widgets. Okay, so I've downloaded my images and next we're gonna customize our widgets. So I'm gonna start with the Myco app, and this is the app I'm gonna use for my control center widgets as well as my lock screen widgets. So let's find some control center widgets first. So I'm just gonna tap over here on control center. So as you can see, we have just a ton of cute icons to choose from. And I'm just gonna tap on this butterfly down here. Then I don't think I'm gonna use the butterfly. I'm actually gonna go ahead and tap where it says icon library. And then this is going to bring up a whole other library of little icons that we can choose from. And there are honestly just so many, and they're all really adorable. It's really hard to pick, but go ahead and choose 4 to add to your control center later on. When you choose an icon, go ahead and customize it the way you want. So you can choose your color. You can even customize the animation. And then once you have it to your liking, go ahead and tap save control. And then I'm going to repeat that for my other 3 icons. Okay, so I've saved all 4 of my widgets, and then if you tap on my widget in the upper right hand corner, you'll be able to see them all in your little menu here. And I forgot to mention before, but if you scroll down, you also have the option of adding an action on tap. So you can make these little icons actually do something when you tap them. So if you want, you can make them launch an app, or you can have them be a shortcut to a URL. So mine are just going to be decorative, so I'm just going to leave them as is, but I did want to mention that this is another thing that you can do to help make them a little bit more functional. And now I'm going to go ahead and save my lock screen widgets. So I'm going to tap on the lock screen category, and then I'm going to do pretty much the same thing as before. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on an icon. And then I'm gonna tap on where it says more. And then I'm gonna pick 2 different icons from this little library here. So I definitely want this little coffee icon that is just adorable. And I love coffee, so that is perfect for me. And then I'm gonna make sure to lower the opacity all the way down to 0 for this one. And then that will get rid of that little background circle. And I am gonna choose a launch action for this one. I think I'll just make it open up Chrome for now, although I might change it to like the Starbucks app or something later on. So now I'm gonna tap Save Widget and then tap Get It. Then I'm gonna tap on More again because I wanna save one more widget. And then for this next one, I think I'm gonna do this little headphone widget. And I'm also gonna make sure the opacity is set to 0%. And then for this launch action, I think I'm gonna do Spotify and then Save Widget. So I'm back on the lock screen category page, and I'm gonna tap on more kind of at the top here. Then I'm gonna find this little hello widget. I'm gonna lower the opacity down to 0. And I think for this one, I just want it to be decorative, so I'm not gonna add a launch action. And then that is everything I'm gonna do in the Myco app. So now I'm gonna switch over to iScreen, and we're gonna customize our widgets over there. So I'm gonna scroll through these categories up at the top until I get to clock. Then I'm gonna click on this analog clock. So I'm gonna go ahead and select the text to be white. And then for the background, I'm gonna choose this cute pink color. And then I'm just gonna watch my ad to unlock this. Then I'm gonna switch over to the calendar category. And I'm gonna tap on this white calendar with the little bow icon. So they do actually let you customize the emoji that goes over today's date, but I really like the bow, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. Then I'm gonna tap on white for the font color. Then I'm gonna change the background to pink, and I'm gonna move the opacity all the way up. And then I'll be back after I watch this ad to unlock this widget. Okay, so now I have that widget saved too, and then we only have 2 more widgets to do. So I'm gonna scroll through the categories again and then tap on photo. Then I'm gonna scroll down and tap this little flip icon widget. I'm gonna toggle on clear for the background. And then this is where we can add our own images to the Polaroid widget. So I'm gonna tap where it says add photos and then just allow full access. And then just upload your images right from your camera roll. So I've added all of my images. And then as you can see up top, when you tap on the widget, it will switch the photo, which is really cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch my ad in order to save this widget. And then for our very last widget, we're gonna stay in the photo category and then scroll down a little bit until we see this flip album. go ahead and tap it. And then for the background, I'm actually gonna select a cute pink color. I'm just gonna pick one that I think is gonna go well with our theme. Then I'm gonna tap on add photos and do the same thing as before and add all the photos I want from my camera roll. And then of course, I'm gonna watch my final ad. Okay, so we are finally done customizing all of our widgets. Now let's actually start putting this phone theme together, and the next thing I'm gonna do is add my wallpapers. To do this, go into your settings app and then scroll down until you see wallpaper, and then you're gonna see a blue button that says add new wallpaper, so go ahead and tap that. Then tap on photos. Then you're gonna select your lock screen wallpaper from your photo library. So for me, that's gonna be the one with the hearts. Then I'm just gonna pinch and drag to adjust it how I like. So that looks pretty good. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is customize the color of the text. So to do that, go ahead and tap on it. And then we can also customize the font. So I'm gonna choose this one down here and then adjust the thickness a little bit, maybe something like that. Then at the bottom, we can customize the color. So I'm gonna scroll all the way to the right and then tap on this little gradient color icon. Then I'm gonna tap on the eyedropper tool in the upper left-hand corner of this menu. Then this is gonna actually let us select a color from our wallpaper so that the text matches. So I'm just gonna choose one from the heart and then release to choose it, and then X out. And then we have our wallpaper and our text. So now we're gonna add our widgets. And the first thing I'm gonna do is actually remove the two at the bottom. Then I'm gonna add the ones up at the top that are gonna go underneath the time. So just tap on add widgets and then scroll down until you see Myco. Tap on it and then tap on rectangular widget and then scroll until you see round widget and then just tap on it and then tap on it one more time. Then go ahead and X out. And then you can see that Myco has added these default widgets for us. So we're gonna tap on them to add our custom widgets that we made earlier. So I'm gonna tap on the one all the way on the left, and then I'm just gonna add my widget. Then I'm gonna do the same thing for the other ones. And then our lock screen is done. It looks adorable. And now we're gonna move on to the home screen. So at the top, click on add. Then choose customize home screen. Then at the bottom, tap on photo, and then go ahead and select your home screen wallpaper from your photo library. So I'm gonna choose the quote one that I made earlier, and then just pinch and drag to adjust, tap on done, and then tap on done again. And then we have our wallpapers set, so go to your home screen. And this is what it looks like right now. It's very blank, very bare, but we're gonna make it nice and pretty with all of our apps and widgets. So I think I'm gonna add my widgets first. So to do that, go ahead and long press on your screen. And then at the top in the upper left-hand corner, tap on edit, and then choose add widget. In the search bar, go ahead and search for ice cream and then tap on it. And then make sure you have the small size selected and tap add widget. And then go ahead and do this 2 more times. Then you're gonna do this 1 more time, but instead of selecting small widget, you're gonna tap on medium. And then tap done. So now I'm gonna move these widgets where I want them. So now we have the placement of our widgets. So now we're gonna go ahead and actually customize them. So you can see the instructions right on screen in the little widget boxes. So we're just gonna long press and then tap on edit widget, then tap where it says current widget, go ahead and tap on choose. And then we're just gonna select our widgets from this little list that comes up. So for this one, I'm gonna choose analog clock and then just tap out of it. And then that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna do the same thing for this one down here. And I'm gonna do the calendar widget. And then those ones are set. So I'm gonna do the ones on page 2. So our widgets are set. And then, like I said before, we can tap on the widgets to change the little photos. And then we can do the same down here. I really, really love this feature. And then the last thing we have to do for our home screen is add our apps and then customize the color of our app icons. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. If you scroll all the way to your right, you'll find your app library. And then for all of the apps that you wanna add, just long press on them and then select add to home screen. So now I'm just gonna do this for all of the apps that I wanna add. So this is how I have my apps currently. And then the last thing we're gonna do for the home screen is actually tint the color of these app icons. To do that, long press on your home screen and then in the upper left-hand corner, tap on Edit, then tap on Customize, then all the way to the right, tap on Tinted. And then I'm gonna tap this little icon down here that kind of looks like a flower. And then what that does is it's gonna match the app icon color to our wallpaper. Then I'm gonna tap on the icon with the two little squares in the upper right hand corner. And then what that's gonna do is get rid of the app and widget names underneath the icons. And it's also gonna make them a little bigger. And I like this look a lot. I feel like it's very clean looking. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is tap the sun icon in the upper left hand corner to make our home screen bright again. And then it looks like the color matching didn't really work that well. The app icons are very grayed out and desaturated. So I'm just gonna play around with the options here and the sliders until I find a color that I like. And then once you do that, here's what it looks like. Everything looks really cohesive and unified. I really like it. It does look like it did kind of a weird effect on the images for the music player. I don't really know why it did that. So I might play around a little bit with that, maybe try a different widget and see if it looks better. But for now, this is what it looks like. And then the final thing we're gonna do for this customization is to customize our control center. So open your control center by dragging down in the upper right hand area of your screen. Then to access the customization menu, tap the plus icon in the upper left hand corner. Then we're gonna tap on add a control at the bottom. So go ahead and search for Myco and then just tap it. Then you're gonna have this little menu pop up so you can tap on choose. Then you're gonna have the little widgets come up that we saved earlier in this video, so just tap on the one that you want. And then you're just gonna repeat that for all four. Then I'm just gonna drag these where I want them and play around with the arrangement a little bit. Then when I'm done, I'm just gonna tap out of it. And this is what my control screen looks like. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think it looks pretty cute. I don't wanna get too crazy with this. And then once you've done this, you are done with the customization.